And let's check our seam points. I really want this to be half. Some way or another, I need this to be halfway around. Oh, actually, let's hit on. Oh no, see, I got that piece. So I did not hit halfway. I suppose it could be a quarter. Let's shoot for a quarter. Here's a quarter of it from here around to here. And looking at this, looks like we want our design to start right on the half and go around. So let's go ahead and take this and split it with an ISO curve. Let's hit T for toggle. And there's mid, enter. And so there's what we're working with. That'll be just fine. And on this we want to go to surface and shrink trimmed right there. Surface is already shrunk. Alright, so we're good to go there. So we click on this thing and go to curve and go to create UV curve, and let's move it out here. And what do we got? We got looks like a domey thing and another domey thing with a domey thing in between it. So lots of domey things. Actually, that would also be a really good matrix art project as far as that goes, because it'll raise those up as little domey things as well. So either way, let's go ahead and see which way this is laid out. So there's my KCW here, and we'll bring that over here. And we need to 2D scale this so that it fits in the box. Which now it does. This explodes surface sweep 2. Alright. Hopefully, oh, I don't know which way that went. Alright. Oops. Sweep 2. Alright, and you flow along. Let's see. There's a corner. There's a corner. Alright, so just what we need there. So the top of the K goes inside. So this is the inside. Alright. Let's do flow along. And do rigid equals yes. Yeah, see, so there's what you get there. Although it doesn't map to that. So anyway. It would be neat to have a X and a Y rigid so that it mapped this way but didn't change this way. That would be pretty cool. RHINO wish list there. Okay, so anyway, there's that, and let's go ahead and mirror that. Toward the center, yep, alright. We'll do fillet 0.1. There we go. And we'll offset this. And fillet that. Fillet that, And we'll 1D scale that. Okay. So there's that. Then I need a piece in here, and then yet another piece that's solid inside it. So it looks like I need this to be a little thinner. And then we offset that again. And then we fill it. Okay. This one we want to bring these in down. There we go. Kind of like that better. And then we'll offset this way, and we'll pick these two, mirror it to the other side from here. And these two outside ones are the shape we're looking for, so we'll go trim like so. And then we have a curve here. Let's go ahead and offset this curve a little bit. And here's why. Trim. Okay, and actually let's go way up. Trim, there we go. And that's extra, I guess. Blend, 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 blend. There we go. Scale 2D. All right. So there's where all that came from. And let's go ahead and do a straight line from here up. Just a little bit like that. And then we're going to go duplicate, and we're going to go point to copy from is there, 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 there. Okay. We blend from here to here. We blend from here to here. Hey. We blend from here to here. We blend